Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Farah, and today I want to share with you a recipe for a non-toxic tinted sunscreen. This recipe is by Dr. Janine Bowring. This recipe is all natural and consists of only 6 ingredients. And it is also nourishing to your skin. I will also give you the SPF for each ingredient. If you want to tint this recipe, simply add your favorite foundation. I would suggest that you try a small patch on your arm first just to make sure you don't have any allergies, as you should do with anything that you put on your skin. So the first ingredient is 3/4 tablespoon of zinc oxide, and it should be non-nano. Next, you're going to need carrot seed oil, and you're just going to need 6 drops of this. And carrot seed oil has an SPF of 35 to 40. The next ingredient is grapeseed oil, and you're going to need 6 drops of this as well. And the SPF on grapeseed oil is 25 to 50. Next ingredient is shea butter. You're going to need 1/4 cup of this, and the SPF for this one is 6 to 10. Next is coconut oil, and you're going to need 1/4 cup of this as well. And coconut oil has an SPF of 4 to 6. And for this recipe, Dr. Janine does also recommend that you use the liquid form of coconut oil. And the last ingredient is jojoba oil, and you're going to need 2 tablespoons of this. So you just mix all the ingredients together. You mix well until it's combined, and you store this into a glass container. And again, if you want to tint this, simply add your favorite foundation till you get to the desired color. Or you can just add a little bit on your skin, so a little bit of the oil mixed with a little bit of your foundation, mix it together before you apply it. So there you have it, a non-toxic tinted sunscreen. I myself have ordered the ingredients and plan on trying this myself, so stay tuned for an updated video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.